Good morning. Are you ready for Wekfest?
No.
You keep looking like a dad every single day.
Me?
More of a dad every day.
You guys are my sons.
Good morning, YouTube. So today is the day that we are going to Wekfest in San Jose. There's probably gonna be like one Audi there, so I'm not gonna have too much to film, but we're gonna meet some pretty cool people, check out some awesome booths there, and see like 100 bagged cars. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, Alex's Subaru is running. Another Subaru. Look at that. Dang. Hi. Oh, we made it. So I'm going to go ahead and start videoing all the cars that are here. First one we're going to show, RS5 Liberty Walk. Probably one of my favorite cars here. Really like the white and the black contrast. Let's go ahead and continue with the video.
invincible.
Alright, so we've been sitting here for a couple minutes, and I can't help. I'm sorry, but do you see that car right there?
Why does your camera look better?
Because it is. Look at the 997 Porsche.
Hey, we haven't done anything. We've been sitting here for a while now.
The entire show.
The entire show. We've literally walked around, seen every car like 5 times. We got here an hour early.
Jordan, what's your favorite car?
I mean, obviously it's a Mustang. It's the wide-body one, but it has like 3-piece wheels on it, a crazy hood, a really nice ducktail. Actually, the whole trunk's carbon fiber.
Is that the Nardo one?
It's IRV the barber on Instagram, but it was Nardo gray, but it's like a maroon color now. You got to rewrap for Wekfest, so
it looks really good.
It's gnarly, yeah.
Yeah, I like that one. Alex, what's your favorite car?
I'm getting double interviewed.
Oh.
No, legitimately favorite car here is the 997 Porsche. I want a Porsche. I really do. I'm not kidding.
With the slant nose.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, slant nose mock-up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The like replica slant nose right here. It's pretty sweet. Been sitting for a minute looking at it.
Modded life.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos of the cars earlier today. Now we are waiting outside of the Civic Center, and over there is a off-ramp that like all the cars that are inside the show are going to come out of. And we're basically going to see them kind of just like fly by on the street over here. So I will get some of those videos for you, and stay tuned. So Alex's built engine, and there's a cop. Sketchy. Damn. Send it. Down with your talking. Damn. Oh, carbon GTR. Nice. Racing. So I hope you guys enjoyed all the footage from yesterday. My battery actually died while I was filming the last few cars rolling out. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all on the next one.